We have a fraction like that. Multiply it by 3. So I do 3. 3 4. We're going to turn to -5 shows that those
Alright, so and then just turn 8 I am
Alright, you guys done with these 5?
Yeah.
Alright, so with 1, 2, and 3.
Hey, if you go to the next page, I think I left you room to work.
Okay. 1, 2, and 3, we just have single step equations. Okay, so somebody walk me through number 1 here. Pretty easy. Rachel, go ahead.
Subtract 4 on both sides.
I'm just going to subtract 4 on both sides, okay? Again, good strategy. Put that line there. That separates your 2 sides. All right, I'm going to subtract 4 here. I'm going to subtract 4 here. Okay, that's going to cancel out. 12 minus 4 is going to give me what, Rachel? 8. Okay, quick check. 8 plus 4, I do know that gives me 12. Okay, very, very simple on these first couple. All right, number 2, I have 4x equals 12. Colin, go ahead.
Divide by 4 on both sides.
Very good. I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. All right. Again, I want to separate my sides. Divide by 4 here. Divide by 4 here. Those are going to cancel out. Colin, what's 12 divided by 4? 3. All right. X is 3. Real quick check. 4 times 3 is 12. All right. You should be 100% tomorrow on one-step equations, especially the ones that look like that. Okay. Because this one looks a little bit different, okay? I have 3/4 y equals -18. Zach, what do I need to do if I have a fraction over here?
You need to multiply it by the flipped fraction.
Okay. The flipped fraction, so what is that flipped fraction going to be?
4/3.
4/3. Do you remember the fancy word for that if I flip the fraction? Starts with an R? Hold on. The reciprocal. Okay, very good. Well, so I'm going to multiply here by 4/3. It's not radiation. Not just any word that starts with an R. All right, now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. -18 times 4/3. Zach, what'd you get?
-24.
Y equals -24. That is correct. Nice job.
I have a question. I have flipped them and that's the right answer.
What did you do?
I don't know, I divided 3/4 by y and then I did that.
You divided.
I think so.
You did. If you did -18. -18 divided by 3/4. Yes, you get the same thing. Yeah. It's a little bit easier to do this because she just divided by
Right.
3/4.
Sometimes when we get in some different problems later on, it's better to do it this way.
Yeah, but it's going to work. All right, number 4 here. Now we get into a 2-step equation. So I have -13 equals -4 plus m/2. All right, who wants to walk me through this one? Christian? Come on, Christian. You'll be all right. Tell me what to do first.
Flip the fraction and times.
Hold on, you're getting ahead of yourself. Okay, remember, I always want to work on the side, so the right side where the variable is. However, I want to kind of stay away from the variable at first.
Okay.
I don't want to do anything with the variable yet.
So plus 4.
Very good, that's what I'm looking for. I want to add 4 first. Add 4, okay? -4 plus 4, that's going to give me 0. Christian, what's -13 plus 4?
-9.
-9, very good. All right, I'm going to bring down the m divided by 2. All right, and Christian, what am I going to do from there?
flip the fraction. No. Oh,
Technically, I could, but since we have that variable in the numerator, I can do something easier. If I say m divided by 2, what can I do? What's the opposite of division?
times
Good, so I'm going to multiply by what?
2.
Multiply by 2, okay? Those are going to cancel out. Christian, what's 2 times negative 9?
Negative 18.
Good, so I'm gonna flip this around and just say m equals negative 18. All right, and then, again, if I want to check this real fast, negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. Negative 4 plus negative 9 gives me negative 13. All right, and the last one, all right, multi-step equation here. Okay, so here I have negative 5 times x plus 4 plus 8 equals 3. All right, Connor, go ahead.
Okay, so you're going to use the distributive property, and it's going to get negative 5x minus 20 plus 8 equals 3.
All right, so you sound like a math teacher today, Connor. We're going to use the distributive property. That was perfect. Okay, so this is going to multiply everything in here. I have negative 5x minus 20 plus 8 equals 3. That's what you said, correct?
Yes.
All right, what am I going to do next?
And then, we're going to add 8 to negative 20.
Very good. Yeah, I can combine these like terms, so I'm going to have negative 5x what?
Equals, or negative 5x minus 12.
Good. It's going to be minus 12. Okay, so I just treat this as negative 20 plus 8. Okay, it's negative 12, but it's going to be a minus sign. All right, we got to understand those are interchangeable. And then equals 3. Go ahead.
Then you just, since the opposite of negative is positive, you're going to add 12 to both sides.
All right, I'm going to add 12 here, add 12, bring down my negative 5x. What do I get here? 3 plus 12
15.
is 15. And my last step, Connor?
You're going to divide both sides by negative 5.
Divide both sides by negative 5. And what do I get?
Negative 3.
X equals negative 3. Very good. Again, I can check it pretty quickly. It's going to scroll up for me, which it's not. All right. I don't know why, but that's okay. All right. Any questions about that? I don't know why. It's broken all the time. Any questions about any of those 5 problems? On the quiz tomorrow, there's going to be the single step ones. Okay, those should be like 100%. And then we're going to have some of those ones where you're going to have to use that distributive property. Okay, so make sure you remember order of operations. I'm not sure what happened there.
I don't know. Just doesn't like it. Likes to do this every now and then.
Yeah.
Oh, what are we on? All right, what we want to do here is
Get their computers out.
get your computers out of your phones. We're gonna do a quick Kahoot. Keep your piece of paper in front of you. Keep your whatever your homework is, so you can put these on here. All right, you should be able to work together. Ready? Can you share with her? You can see it, and you can work together.
You can just do it on Google.
Homework?
Yeah, I found it. It was in my textbook.
Yeah, you can just do it on Google.
Yeah.